So cervical cancer is a type of cancer that occurs in the cells of the cervix. That's the lower part of the uterus connected to the vagina. It's not quite clear what causes cervical cancer, but it is certain that the human papilloma virus, the HPV, has a big role to play in cervical cancer, and as well as sexually transmitted diseases. So what are the symptoms? The early stage shows no signs or symptoms, but the advanced stage, with the advanced stage, you might have pelvic pain or pain during sexual intercourse, and you might have vaginal bleeding after intercourse. You might also have a watery, bloody vaginal discharge, and that might actually have a foul odor. And what are the risk factors in involving cervical cancer? When you have so many sexual partners, when you have early sexual activities, when you smoke, when you are exposed to miscarriage prevention drugs, or when you have a low immune system, probably due to other diseases. So those are the risk factors. And how do we prevent them? So apparently, if we take care of the risk factors, it goes a long way to prevent cervical cancer. So if you have safe, or you practice safe sex, there's no smoking, it goes a long way to prevent us from having cervical cancer. So ladies, no cervical cancer, because prevention is better than cure. We're going to take care of the risk factors and stay safe. Thank you very much. Bye.
I believe it's abnormal cells that can multiply and then can become cancerous.
Cervical cancer is a form of cancer that develops in the cervix. The cervix, if you don't know, is the entrance to the womb from the vagina. Therefore, this is cancer that develops in the cervix. Thank you.
Cervical cancer is caused by HPV virus.
Cervical cancer is that type of cancer that is very common in women between the ages of 20 to 50 years old. And according to the recommendations in this country, they will have to do their smear tests to test against that type of cancer every 3 years.
Cervical cancer. I've never heard of that word before. I don't know.
Cancer. Where my baby? Now that one pass me. I don't know.
I don't know too much, to be honest, that I should know, obviously for a lady and for someone that's had it in their family.
I know that cervical cancer is cancer that arises from the cervix. That is, you have some kind of abnormal growth of cells in the cervix, and they risk spreading to other parts of the body.
Yeah, I've heard of that name, but I don't really know what it's all about.
But you know it's an illness.
I know it's an illness, but I don't know the full meaning of it.